Palit og bots na amahan. Sa Wild West style ilang kuan. Grabe kadaghan sa bots. Pwede diri sa baba.
No, I have some like this.
Ilang boots, uy. Daway na ba? How many aisle? Ilang klase-klaseng boots. So, gusto mo different ko ana boots. Dari mo sa St. Joe boot.
Mostly chicks going.
Oo, ma-work boot.
Soda.
Dagan kayo siya. So, dari mi na area kay work boot man ang among pangita. Yamahan.
Only 2 ticks.
Lots of one love, no? Choices, love, no? You will go like this. It's like,
Are you gonna play any mini miny mo? Catch a tiger or 2?
May
Miny.
mga durable ni siya ng mga boot.
Eeny,
Durable.
miny mo.
What's that for? For you?
Meeny, eeny, eeny, eeny.
Kailangan consider. Electrical.
That's enough. That's enough.
Ang short sa klase.
That's enough.
Naapod sila kuan din hit. Hinana rebook na pang work.
This thing.
Still to. Gahi kay dari.
Actually, let's use
Number
something.
1.
You know what?
So,
It
try
doesn't matter if
Ang rebook. Gahi
you
kayo.
want it to be that. If it's the color
Ano yan pang work.
red, then it's right, okay? So
Dili, lupiak
ding,
ba?
ding, ding.
Yan, gahi kayo.
I
Still
spy with
color.
my little eyes. Something color.
Dito siya pang work. Dito siya din he. Protect sa imong toe nga
Wait,
Ma-
you
unsa
can't
ni?
say wood. You gotta say a color. No, that's
the
the color.
datugan.
Would have a color, you know.
89. Safety toe. So, kini. Ordinary na ka ng shoes lang. Pang
Can't even say
naglagag kini. Pang work gahi.
color. Now we're not
Safety
gonna
toe.
mention it.
Kaya dapat na niya sa regular. Kini gahi.
Now we're not gonna
Steel toe.
a video on me dancing.
Pero di lagi kayo ni Soy. Hello. Nag-model na daw siya sa cowboy boots. Ang grabe Lalahi nilang cowboy boots. Lalahi style. Mga working cowboy, cowgirl boots. Grabe kadaghan. Lisod kag pili. Lots choices. Apoy Carhartt. Hindot po niya siya na brand. Carhartt. Carolina. Panjo ilang rebook na kuan brand. Still to po niya siya. Athletic work shoe with internal net guard. Gahi kayo. Ang normal minani lang mayupi. Gahi. Inihan guys ato. Last time lab. Yan po dahil sila Red Wing sa Red Wing shoes ni nagakuha si amahan yung work shoes. Ay sila. Ang pilit. Kanahan siya sa Red Wing na brand. So mauni yan try ko. Sa kini, minsan niya siya na brand. Diner, minsan na siya. Kini. Nice this one kay dili na ka mag-lace-lace ba mag-tight. Inani na lang siya. The other one is Red Wing. Last time nga ko ang shoes. The Red Wing?
Yeah, just because they are a little wider, seems like.
Yeah, because you like the shoes with wider right the toes. And I think that's more comfy for your lab. This one is more comfy for you. Maybe that one na lang. Okay, let's go with this one. You like this kind of shoes too. That one is durable though. The one last time you had.
Okay, you want to see how to undo these shoes?
Yeah, tali. Okay, try.
Nope. Grab that and pull out.
Pull.
Should pull that out.
Yeah, big.
Hold on.
Oh.
Why?
That's it.
Then that's it. No more twisting.
Yep.
So you will
Basically,
just
the way
twist it.
works is this until you push it in. Now twisting it wraps up all those coils. So pulling them, it will just pull out.
Ang medyas medyas nga nag-star flag kaayo.
So Dad's thing now.
Where daddy's work?
I don't even know what it's called.
Do you want some of those waterproof little?
Na pabudol-budol. Nice ya, bakit ka na diretso lang dito sa slip.
Dodge. Dodge to the right. 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 Dodge to the left. 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 Dodge to the right. Left.
Ano ang dili ng mga boots din yan, dan regular.
No. I give up.
So dari upload sa area nila oh. Naway lang mga bag, mga purse, mga leather ni leather. Ang mga vest. Cute sila ay. Gusto mo kuan mga kanang leather nga style sa bag dari mo. Pero for sure pricey lang yun ni sila. You do? Wala ka, di yun ni sila magpaalas.
I'm gonna have cowboys.
That would be nice, lab.
Sit down.
Aww.
That one might be too small.
Too small?
What size are these?
That one is really cute though.
Ezekiel, you're gonna.
Okay.
You want
Yung magbuts-buts mo Ezekiel. Ginoo ko
Or you want to fight
Awara
the
ginoo.
bull?
Mao pa na may ang sale na price.
You want to
Hi.
fight the bull?
Oh, that one. That one is cool, lab. That one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Try it.
Are we doing a shoes day?
Shoes day day anything. Ay. Cowboy boots. I thought ba that's all. Adult day too. Oh, yeah.
Pretty tight. Okay. So
Pretty
let's
tight?
for you a 10.
Lab, I think lab they have sizes for other boots for that. If he wants that. Kuan.
Let me see the size.
Isa naman si Ezekiel. Di lagi na sa magpalas lagi siya. Palit dahil si daddy og boots ha. Palit pag og boots day. Dirty kaayo eh. Oo. Oo. May ni sila kadi pa day kaayo. Kadto kay kuan man 84 man to why at least kini baba ang price. So you need more bigger.
You a 12.
12?
12 is what we need.
Okay, 12.
I thought
Yeah, put
those
on.
are mini boots.
Yeah, that's for baby. Tiny baby.
Yeah.
Napagay mo na ng 84. Oh, this one labo. Size 12? No? Size 10? 10 man? Maybe that's small still. So look, Ezekiel, go put your feet here. That's how you... No.
Wait.
Oh, it's 12 today, love. How about Matthias daw? Maybe he's...
Totally not for
One.
babies.
No, he'd be over 1.
Oh, he's gonna be 2 or 3. That's for youth sizes. Oh, nila.
Go to 4.
That might
4 maybe Matthias. Or 3. That's too long.
Yeah,
3
that
no?
might be good.
3.
Yeah.
Wala pa rin isa. Oh.
Why don't they put
Boots. We'll get 4 to get the
this?
boots.
This is on.
Size 12 si Ezekiel, size 3 si Matthias.
I want one.
Okay, Ezekiel.
Yeah, that one is more work for him because it's small.
Okay. Well, we need a map.
I think it's in the box, the match.
Hold on.
It should be 11 maybe lang. Looks big. Hold on. No, I think the match lagi is in the box. Because that's a display. Want black? This one is more cowboy though.
I found a match of black, so let's do black.
Wait, there's a match of that one here.
Oh, try it on, both of it. Both. Try it on, both. Go walk on it. Walk.
Hands up.
Oh! Cowboy naman na siya eh.
Yeah.
You like it?
It looks cute though, the blue and brown.
Definitely the size.
Isa naman ni sila ay. Di man po napaalas. Di pag ko paalas ani, magpalit na pag ko ani. Ay, wala ko gidayon tong MacBooks is expensive ang MacBooks.
Or do you like the
How about the black ones? You can't try.
Bawion na lang sunod. Lahi lang ako ah.
Pretty cool though. But the blue one looks more cooler.
See? Me and Matthias think. Yeah, I like more the one with brown and blue. I think. But it's up to Ezekiel. He's the one.
Do you like the black ones? Or not so much?
Not so much. Because of the bubble. Blue.
Oh, okay.
How many boot day they made today? Boots day. Shoes day.
Yep.
Woo! Yep.
You need something else.
Try na po ito sa white
The
one.
biggest of all.
Labi din hindi pa alas ay. Oh.
What do you think?
What do you think?
I don't know.
No,
I think
walk.
They're a little big, but
Yeah,
he'll
it's a
fit
little
into 'em.
big.
The thing is, he'll grow into it.
One is the biggest. One is the
Lingkod na tani kay murag dugay pa kani sila mahuman og
Do you want a USA
pangita.
picture map?
Ay, nako.
Did I say good?
Ni Matias turn na. Ang binjus ni amahan ba? Flag kaayo. Suot na lang niya kapuyan siya hubo.
There.
Walk on it, Matias. Where's the other pair, lab? What's that size, lab? 2? 2.5. Here, Matias, walk down here, nak.
I maybe got a good idea. I think I got a good idea. The one I want.
The one I want pang gusto.
Left or right?
Yeah. That's left, yep.
Right?
Yeah.
Is that right as means?
On the one on the right. Yeah, walk around.
You walk like slowly, not running. Is that good? Like it don't feel...
Want to see mine?
That looks good, babe.
You like the red ones?
What?
At least that one ba? Sale na ba? But still, oy. But that one still
Way too small. Just look at it.
expensive. Oy, dan regular na shoes, mga walking shoes.
These are too big.
Ay, dala-dala pa sa boots area.
Oh, that could last.
What do you want? The red one?
He wants red ones.
Oh gosh.
That could last.
Wait. I found some over here. These are
Ezekiel gusto breed.
This one might be too big.
Swap. Those are the sizes you like before.
Nice po ni kayo. Marag sale na yung gipili. Sale pero tag 40 gihapon.
Perfect.
So perfect pa daw.
Okay.
Go walk on it, walk.
Hey, go on.
Don't walk weird. Why do you like dancing? Walk. Hello. Cowboy Ezekiel. Hello. Ay. Uy.
Yeah?
You like it?
Okay, pop them off.
Do this.
Don't walk like that.
You can walk like that if you want to. Here, pop them off now. You like those ones?
Yeah.
Okay, now the real problem is...
I do got the same
them on.
left and right.
Yeah.
I won't keep that on.
No, we gotta buy them.
It looks so cool.
Now the problem is you definitely have to get Mom a pair of boots.
No, I don't want to.
Mom needs a pair of something.
Pair of something, I want walking shoes.
Okay.
Comfy.
Okay.
But ano, kasi inanin ni, but if everybody buys shoes, dapat naapod ko. Pair na iya ha. Pero namin ito na, nag-shoes na. Ariat pa daw ko si Ariat. Ariat ang agi, bagay doon ka Ariat.
No.
Thank you, love. Kabitbit na. Asan isa? Oh. Kabitbit na ang mga para sundog-sundog. Magpalit og shoes. St. Joe Butco. Ano na, nabudol na si daddy. So, kinira ito itong original plan. Mag-buy ka daddy og work boots. Naunindot kayo yung shoes. Oh. Kuhaan lang siya, kanyang adjust. Dili na mag-lace-lace. No more lace-lace anymore. Ano na lang siya. Ano siya? Red Wings. Ihapon yan pa. Tapos ay nabudot noon. Kay namalit lagi ang duha ka kuan. So narap ko Ariat. Liwat sa gipalitan Ariat. Ano? Indot siya. Naka-Ariat po si Inday Ariat. Gipalitan na pud ko kay everyone daw have shoes. So damay-damay na ni damay-damay. Tapos nani. Good morning daddy. Daddy. Narap po ang pinsa ni. Okay, Ezekiel, muna ha, red boots ang yung gusto, red boots. Muna ha. Artist ay lagi. Si Ezekiel man tapos meron nagkakuan ha. Gusto po lang siya cowboy boots. Kada kan dito cowboy boots. So, kini ka Matias. Ano oh. Matias. Kini ka Matias. Kinahan po ka Matias kay kuan kayo. Na siya flag sa USA. Ariat Semi Obran. Pandad siya. Kaya pandad ko na dyan siya. Tama na ka Matias kay ang big head. Ang style, brown na siya, brown. Ano siya? Si Ezekiel kayo sa Old West. Where na ni mong cowboy boots day? Here na ko? Nabudol si amahan. Pag-ingan Ezekiel, I want a cowboy boots. Damay-damay na tanan eh. Sige na. Ariat. Kayo ni. Sige daw be. Oh, other pot. Sa maning cowboy na magpot sa shoes. Daw be. Awo na to. Masigi atrang agi ani. Ibog sa cowboy boots. Oh. Dance daw po the cowboy daw. Daw. Cheese this year. Cheese. Nasumsamo ka ng room to your brother. Awar gud niya akong kuan early morning pa nag-boats na. Ay ganahan jud lagi daw siya siyang boots.